Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to enhance your home's entrance? We've got you. Today, we are here with the 80+ modern home gate design ideas that will not just elevate your home's entrance but give your home a stylish and luxurious look. Whether you are into sleek or bold statements, we have got something special for everyone. We'll cover everything from smart and stylish home iron gate designs that give you a luxurious feel. Elevate your home's entrance with omnifloor.ae. So, buckle up and let's explore some fantastic gate designs that will make your home stand out. have it, 80+ modern house gate designs ends here. We hope you found the perfect style according to your preferences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Also, let us know in the comments which gate design was your favorite or if you have any design questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.